portable particle counter FS9V-2. In this video, we will be showing you the installation and working of the particle counter FS9V-2. On the right side, we have the suction and discharge lines. On the left side, we have the USB port and the charging point. The buttons are used to power on the equipment, turn on the pump, prime the pump and save the memory of the recordings. The readings are displayed on the screen. First, we simply hand tighten the suction pipe to the counter. The suction line has a 180 micron strainer to capture any contaminations that may damage the pump. Next, we connect the discharge line by hand tightening. Once connected, we power on the counter as shown. The display shows the ISO code against micron sizes. We can see the ISO code in 4 micron, 6, 14 and 21 micron. This counter comes with the optional relative humidity sensor. At the bottom we have the battery and analysis timer. Once we click on the menu, we can select from multiple options of setup. We can select ISO 4406, NAS 1638, SAE and GJB. Once selected, the reporting changes to the selected standards. Once we power on the pump, the oil sample is pushed through the counter with the internal pump. We do not want to see any air bubbles in the piping. In case there are air bubbles, press the pry button to remove air pockets and remove bubbles from the oil sample. The counter analyzes oil every 1 minute and provides the reports. After the oil sample is analyzed, simply flush the system before taking the next sample. Do not let the pump run dry and stop the pump once the oil is cleared from the suction line. You can put the counter off using the power on button.